Hey everyone, it's Greg from Caliber Home Loans. The biggest question I get today is now a great time to buy a home? The short answer to that is yes, and here's why. I understand that we have some challenges in our society and in our local economy here currently, but I feel like the Seattle area will outpace, on the comeback, they will outpace the rest of the country because of the great tech base we have here and amazing companies that have been founded here and will remain here into the future. We are still seeing multiple offers on homes. We are not seeing any sign of home prices dropping or homes sitting on the market as much as sometimes people would think that would happen in a tough time like we're going through right now. The other thing is we have amazing interest rates right now. They are all-time lows. Just a 1% increase in your interest rate erodes your buying power by 10%. So now may be the perfect time to buy. If you're thinking about buying in the near future, please give us a call. We'd love to help.